Exult each patriot heart. This night is shown a peace which we may fairly call our own. Our author pictures not from foreign climes the fashions or follies of the times. Why should our thoughts to distant countries roam, when each refinement may be found at home? 3 cheers for our president! May he, like Samson, slay thousands of Frenchmen with the jawbone of Jefferson! Huzzah! 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 The chief who now commands once more to serve his country stands, the rock on which the storm will